What's up, guys? Today is Monday. We're on the Cornwell truck, so Mr. Joe's gonna show us some cool stuff. Y'all take a look.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
You got that Milwaukee stacked back up, don't you?
Yes, I do. You know, last week, I didn't realize you were talking to me. I was just sitting there waiting, looking foolish. Haven't done that for a while, so I figured we'd get that caught up.
How's the sawzalls work
There
out?
is saws out there.
Pretty good.
They are.
Good deal. I'd say where that would be handy.
And then I got the little saw.
I wonder how them right there would work with a roll-lock pad on them.
If you're cleaning headlights, in speed 2, it's like 2,800 or 28,000 RPM. I mean, it zips. It will clean and polish.
I'm looking for something to replace a die grinder, you know, with a roll-lock pad.
8,300 RPM. So 1, 2,800 RPM. 2, I gotta take this off because it flies off all the time. That thing just spins. If you're cleaning headlights and that, you got, I mean, you need really fine. It'll polish like glass.
I don't know if a roll-lock pad would work in that.
You just unscrew this here. Screw in your adapter. Yeah, that's a 1/4 inch fine. You may need to find an adapter.
Yeah. Yeah,
If you don't find one,
rid of air tools, I think it'd be a whole lot better. Well,
all right.
what all you got new?
We are going to work on some electrical stuff. One is 7 flat spade pin towing maintenance kit. Part number right there.
Okay.
And these are 43 bucks on sale. Now what it has is, you plug it in, you got your terminal cleaning kit, the wire brush, some lube, you got your lights. All you do is plug it in. It will tell you what's going on. Coordinates the lights with what you're looking at. Should make life a lot easier. Yes. I was talking about maintenance on these. This is the big cleaning kit. Now, you got round diamond files to get in tight places. Because we all know they don't make it easy to get into. And then they got the even smaller ones.
Oh, them things are tiny.
So you can clean nose hairs with that. Now these here are made to clean where a post plugs into.
Right.
This is made to clean, it's got the diamond grit to clean
Inside
the inside of the
the
round.
female part.
This here will clean the male part.
Right.
It's the same size, so it'll clean it. You have 4 different sizes, from the small ones to the big ones.
That's nice right there.
Then you have the 2 files. Now the files are made for either grabbing and cleaning a flat spade, or you can press on the outside and clean the inside.
Right.
It's diamond all the way around. And they give you 2 different sizes, so you can get into tight spots.
Right. That's very nice right there.
Now these kits are on sale for 120 bucks. You kind of see the different applications right here. We'll pause for looking at all the pictures.
That's nice.
And we have a part number up here.
All right. What'd you say that one run?
120.
120. That's very
Actually,
nice right there.
120.99, but it's there. Now we got some lights. We got an Astra Light. Now this one here has a hook that goes on top, but you can take it off if you need to get in somewhere tight.
Yeah.
You got a magnet on the base. You can connect anywhere on here you want. Or the magnet unscrews off this base, can screw on here, and then again your low profile.
Right.
It gets bright and gets brighter. 200, 400 looms.
Wow.
3 hours on high, 6 hours on low.
Wow.
But it's thin enough where you can stick it in places you want to go and light up something.
That thing is thin. What is it, a 1/2 inch?
1/2 inch wide, 1.25 inches. I think it's 12 inches.
Wow.
These are $110.
$110.
So you got the magnet, and it'll stick where you need it. You got the hooks. And for the guys that already have these, I'm trying to get these here adapters because they'll fit with the other ones that did not have those until recently. That's the new addition to those.
What is that part number on that one?
Okay, that's an ASTRO 12 SL. Ultra Slim Reach Light.
Where did the magnet go? Oh, it's stuck up there.
Yeah. The magnet's stout. It won't let go.
Strong.
Then we go to a Milwaukee light. Underhood light. You can see it's rubber padded. It grips. It's big enough to grip over anything you need. This here comes with the 4.0 M12 battery. That gives you a 3-year warranty on the battery.
Wow.
The light, we can take it off of here. Now I'm going to just turn this to the side a little bit. It's on, and it can get bright. But it's 1,250 looms.
Wow. That's a long son of a gun, too.
It is.
Looks like Luke Skywalker's.
I was going to tell you, we can do some.
Let the force be with you.
We can. These are $250, but that comes with the kit with the
battery and the
4.0
charger.
battery, the charger, and the whole shebang.
That's awesome.
It's also got the hook on top. You can hang it to.
Right. Can't hardly beat that.
There we go.
Very nice light.
And I'm sure we'll find something else for you next week. Oh wait, we have a question. I sent one of these out to one of you guys, which I greatly appreciate all the orders I got, and many more to come, I guess. I hope. He wanted to know what sets would fold onto here.
Right.
So when you're looking in or online or you see anything, you need a set of wrenches that will go up to 3/4 inch because you got 3/4 inch as far as the sockets or 19 millimeter as far as the metric.
So they can pretty much buy the standard set of the Cornwell.
Standard set or metric set.
Yeah.
Whichever you use the most.
Pretty much 9 to 19 or whatever it is.
8 to 19 or, that's 1/4 to 3/4.
Right.
So any of those sets. So whether it is a set of the flex,
Right.
a set of the standard, a set of reversible, as long as it goes up to 3/4, they will lock and match.
There we go. That is a cool feature right there.
That is the answer to that question. I hope you got it. I said I'd put that answer on here today. Anybody else, when you text me, I try to get back to you right away. If you're looking for something, I try to get it ordered, and as you guys have been getting used to, I tell you I'm going to get it ordered, and when it comes, let you know when it comes in, and We take care of everything else. Everything's been going pretty smooth. So cool beans.
Sounds good.
Anything else, let me know. I'll be happy.
And those still on sale, or are those already pre-sold?
Those I'll still go for the sale price. The sale's over, but I got 4. I got 4 left.
4 left. So
4
if anybody's
left,
looking
so-
for that cool pass-through set, it was how much?
Thought it was 85.
Yeah, 80, 85, something like that. I
I
can't
think
remember
that's
exactly.
what it is. Whatever the sale price was,
It was
that's
a good
what.
deal on them.
Yes, it's a great deal on them. Normally 117. So.
All right. So
Anything
if they
else,
want them, make
let me know.
sure y'all get a hold of Mr. Joe. I'll put his number right here. So be sure to get a hold of him. His card will be at the end. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.